Hello everyone and welcome to class of overview of security architecture. Today in this class we will discuss about the overview of security architecture. So this is the security architecture. It is divided into three parts: transport stratum, home stratum, which is also known as service stratum, and application stratum. So we have network access security. So here the security domains are there. We have 6 domains. We can see here this is the first, second, then we can see third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So we have different domains. Now here first is network access security domain. It is a set of security features that enable the user equipment or mobile equipment to authenticate and access services with the help of network securely, including 3GPP and non-3GPP access, and in particularly to the protocol against attacks on the radio interfaces. In addition, it includes the security context delivery from SN to access network for the access security. So AN has an access network of 3GPP and non-3GPP access network. We have ME and USIM mobile equipment and USIM. This is a user application. This is provider application, home environment. Now next domain, which is network domain security in second. So we can see two here, there, here. Now second domain, it's set of security feature that enables network nodes to securely exchange signaling and user plane data. User domain security, it is a set of security feature that secure the mobile user access to the mobile equipment. Application domain security, it is a set of security feature which enables applications in the user domain and in the provider domain to exchange the messages securely. Then we have SBA security domain security. It is a set of security feature. It enables network functions of service-based architecture to securely communicate with the serving network domains and with other network domains. These features include network function registration, discovery, authorization, etc. We have visibility and configuration of security. Here we have the set of security features that enable the user to be informed whether a security feature is in operation or not. These are all the domains which we can find in the security architecture. So we have some general security requirement. In general security requirements, so before that we have SEPP, which is Security Edge Protection Policy. It is also a security entity at the parameter of 5G core network. We have, what are the entities? We have AUSF, which is Authentication Server Function, ARPF, Authentication Credential Repository and Processing Function, SIDF as Subscription Identifier Deconcealing Function, and SEAF, which is Security Anchor Function. So general security requirement, here we have some mitigation of bidding down attacks. An attacker could attempt a bidding down attack by making the UE and the network entities respectively believe that the other side does not support a security feature, even when both sides in fact support that security feature. So we have an attacker which there so that it can buy down an attack that the other side do not support security feature. Next is authentication and authorization. The 5G system shall satisfy various requirements of authentication and authorization. Subscription authentication, that means the serving network shall authenticate the subscription permanent identifier SUPI in the process of authentication and key agreement between the UE and the network. Then serving network authentication. That means the UE shall authenticate the serving network identifier through key identification. UE authorization is also based on SUPI. UE should be authorized. Serving network authorization by the home network. Like assurance shall be provided to the UE that it is connected to the serving network that is authorized. And unauthenticated emergency services. Like in order to meet the regularity requirements in some region, the 5G system shall support unauthenticated access for emergency services. This requirement applies to all mobile equipments and only to those serving network whose regulatory requirement are unauthenticated emergency services exist. So we have some requirements like requirements on the 5G core network and 5G next and radio access network, next generation radio access network, which are related to keys. So the 5G core and next generation radio access network, it shall allow for use of encryption and integrity protection algorithm. These algorithms for access stratum and non-access stratum protection, and they have a key of length 128 bits. Now network interface shall support the transport of 256 bits keys. These keys are used for user plane, non-access stratum, access stratum, and it shall be dependent on the algorithm they are used. So we will continue with these requirements in our next class. Thank you.